Hi, I believe by now, if you have been given something like this, it is going to be a piece of cake to you. Yeah, of course. Considering the fact that I've been able to demystify, simplify, and explain in detail this topic, so it's not something that should give you issue. But then, let's do justice to it. The first one is calcium. Calcium, which is represented with capital letter C and small letter A. And the atomic number of calcium is what? 20. So we will draw. The first shell will take what? The first shell will take the first two electrons in the atom shell. Sorry. The first shell will take 2 electrons. Second will take 8 as usual. This is 10 already, and we are going to 20. So we still have a long way to go. So we'll draw another shell. We'll draw another 8 electrons. If you calculate, this is 10 inside plus 8 outside, that is 18. And we are going to 20. 20 minus 18 will give us what? 20 minus 18 should give us 2. So we have 2 outside. So now we present it as what? 2 inside, 8 here, another 8 here, and then 2 outside. So it is in group 2. And then it is represented as calcium. The oxidation state of calcium is what? Plus 2, or we say 2 plus. Why? This is a metal. Metals are elements that fall in group 1, group 2, and group 3, except what? Hydrogen. And I've stated the reason why hydrogen is not a metal earlier, and why it is in group 1. I've stated that in the periodic table when we're dealing with periodic table. So that is that for calcium. So now we'll go to the second one, which is fluorine. Fluorine, the chemical symbol for fluorine is capital letter F, and it has atomic number of what? 9. So if we were to draw it, the first shell will take 2 as usual. Then 9 minus 2 is 7, so we have 7 outside. Okay? So we present it by what? 2 and 7. So it's in group 7. But then we said that elements from group 5 up to group 7 are all non-metals. So non-metals will do what? We ionize by what? By what? Accepting electron or giving electron. So if we say 8 minus 7, we have what? 1. So therefore, fluorine will be represented by what? Minus 1. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So the oxidation number of calcium is what? Plus 2, as we have here. And the oxidation number of fluorine is what? Minus 1. This minus there is minus 1.